That's a blanket. It's for alligator. Yep. It's for alligator. Where's the alligator? And this is a baby costume.
It's called a bib.
Here's a baby costume. That's a costume.